Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 9 subject English. In this lesson we will study about exercise comprehension means question answers of unit 15 as well as letter to friend inviting him or her for trip. So let's start. Abu bin Adham. Question number 1. Why was Abu bin Adham Adham's name on top of the list? So in this question you are asked to give the reason. Abu bin Adham loved human beings. He served khidmat karna, mankind, insaniyat. He served mankind. That's why his name was placed at the top of the list. Means sar fehrist. Question number 2. What is the main idea of the poem? Main idea means markazi khayal, you know very well. We should love the mankind and creation of Allah. Creation means makhluk. We should love the mankind and creation of Allah Almighty. Allah loves those who love His creation. The one who loves Allah's creatures will surely win His love. यानी कि अल्लाह की मोहब्बत जीत पाएगा. Describe the character of Abu bin Adham in your own words. In your own words mean अपने अल्फाज में. The character of Abu bin Adham is a simple yet charming one. He seems to be a man of calm and composure. He is bold, rather straightforward. That might be resulting from the exceeding peace of mind. Note the spelling of straightforward. STRAGHTFORWARD, while the composure mean itminan. Write down the implied and explicit meanings of the poem. The explicit meaning: Abu bin Adham saw an angel in his room and asked him to write his name in the list of those who love fellow human beings. In this manner he got love of his Lord. The implied meaning or the implicit meaning: the poet implicitly conveys the message that we should love human beings if we want to win the love of Allah. He who forgets his own self for the sake of others means दूसरों की खातिर will receive a great reward inam, and will be loved by Allah Almighty. Question number 5. Mention the other words used by the poet to refer to the angel. The other words used by the poet to refer to the angel are vision, light, lily, 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 and presence. Question number 6. Give brief description of the angel in Abu bin Adham. As presented in the poem, the angel is a divine messenger. Messenger पैगाम पहुंचाने वाला. The very presence of the angel has enlightened the room, gilding, making it look like a lily in bloom. The angel is writing something in a golden book. When Abu questions it, the angel answers his questions politely, Narmi se. He even complies Abu's request to write down his name on the divine book. When the angel reappears the next night, it again lit the room. The light of the angel can be interpreted to have a symbolic effect to enlighten the human mind. Students, note it that the implied meaning is that कि जो चीज़ अल्फाज में ज़ाहिर ना किए गए हों मगर समझ जाए एक इंसान. While the explicit meaning जो कि ज़ाहिरी मायनी हो. While implied meaning is that जो कि अल्फाज में ना हो ज़ाहिर लेकिन बात समझ में आ जाए, उसका मफ़हूम समझ में आ जाए. Come to another topic which is letter. Write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to a trip to the zoo. Note the pattern that we should write the examination hall with margin lines, then put comma, then on the next line with margin line A dot B dot C, write it. Then on the next line with margin line, write the note, write the correct date. Note that first we should write the date, then month, then put comma, then year, then put full stop. Leave one line After leaving one line, we will write my dear friend, put comma. On the next line, we will write assalamu alaikum, then put exclamatory mark. On the next line, we will write with margin line, start with margin line. I hope you are well. I am also fine here. I had written this letter to tell you about my trip to zoo. We all wanted to invite you, invite dawat dena. So you have to come with us. Thus I am eagerly, besabri se, I am eagerly waiting for going to zoo. There we will see gigantic animals closely. Gigantic means bade bade jasamat wale. It will be really interesting to see colorful birds, monkeys, peacocks, snakes and many other amazing creatures. It will be really interesting to see colorful birds, monkeys, peacocks, snakes and many other amazing creatures, हैरान कुन मखलूक़ात. We will go to the zoo tomorrow. We will get out of the house at 9 am. The name of zoo is Alipur Zoo. So be ready for a trip to zoo with your friend. I am so happy as you are coming with us. So I am ending this letter. Goodbye. Say hi to uncle and aunt for me. Your loving friend XYZ. Memorize this work.